Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can schedule Instagram Live. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram app on your device. Once the Instagram app opens up on your device, make sure that you're logged in and then swipe right on your screen. After you swipe right on your screen, you'll be guided to this page. Now on this page, what you'll have to do is click on this live option on the bottom of your screen, which will guide you to the live interface. Now what you have to do to schedule your Instagram live is click on the schedule option on the left side of your screen. After you click on the schedule option, you'll be guided to another page. Now what you have to do is fill in your video title here. So let's say it's tutorial. You have to pick a start time here. So let's say I want it to be Sunday 10th April at 3 p.m. and click on this done option. After you click on the done option, you'll have to click on the schedule live video option on the bottom of your screen. Wait for it to load and there you have it. Your live video has been scheduled. Now you can share this to your followers by simply clicking on the share as post option and sharing it to your followers. I hope this video helped you to schedule Instagram Live. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.